Good morning, peeps. I don't know a trade the same way. Blue Lagoon tours in Jamaica. So this morning, you know, so my father come in with some peelkin fish that people call them the turbot. You see me? Or what you call it, queen triggerfish. Yeah. So I go peel it and show you know, my method. You see me? In case people get them and don't know how to peel them. You see? I want to best fish them still too, you know, cause not much bone and it nice when it French fry, you see me? Let me take up one show you. You see it? This name so peeps. Ah! He's still alive. Yo, I never expect that. Yo, that was just a reaction. You see me? I said, I don't have to pre that no way. Alright peeps, so first what me I gonna do is, as me said, these are the queen triggerfish known as turbot or peel skin fish. You see me? The skin hard. You know I say Adventist people are go against this cause they must say anything when I have scale, but respect religion them. You see me? I say no disrespect, but one of my favorite fish this, you see me? I can't stop eat that. You see me? But anyways, we cut off a fin them. You see me? Cut off a fin them first. Make sure say your knife sharp. You see me? When you just watch and follow through. Same thing what me I do, you see me? Alright, so boom. Cut off a fin them. Right now, you go. Hold on. I'm moving your eyeball so. You go bust your so. You bust up on the top. So you go outline the fish basically. Alright, booms. That. So now put the tip of your knife under the skin of the tail so. You see me? Peeps, you see when them fresh, them easy for skin than when you put them on the fridge. You see it? Alright. See? Alright. Doing the next side, same way. When I'm done, you can use this as a mask, you know. Do. See? So I go just sometime we usually have pliers and then we dry it off. You see it? Again, peeps, make sure your knife sharp. Dull knife can't use on this. I tell you. So this is one side basically done already. See? One side basically done. Now I'm gonna flip it. Other side now. Yeah, but do the same thing like we did on the front. On the first side. Why me say me I do the video here? Because a lot of people get them thing here and them don't know how to peel it, you see me? So some of them just roast it to get off the skin. You see it? I don't know what other method they use. Nothing wrong if you do it on the chamber. Because myself, use pliers, tear off the skin, outline it so it's easier. A bare flesh that you look for. Pure flesh. Hardly have any bone. So there's the area are the tough area them. This tough, you have to use chopper for that. The thing, this tough, the bone here. So you have to use chopper for that. Mine a cut to yourself. What's the mean? Got one knife slip on the sharp, you know. Trouble did it. Yeah. That is it. So see that, peeps? That basically done peel. You see me? Alright, what I know. I'm gonna dry this off a tough part. As I say, when you freeze up here harder. Okay. So see myself, I can use, you know, now them arrow shoulder and take off the people and skin and use as mask. Alright. See 2 year old, man. That is it. No, Shana, wash me, wash me. You would me first, me not look my life, so. If you would me first, you drop in there, well, me not want to just clean out the inside now. When you're ready, Yeah, peeps, so that was my video about queen triggerfish or turbot, how to peel them. So if you get any of them fish here and them now peel, yeah man, you must can help yourself. You see it. So leave a comment if you ever had peelkin before and what is the best way to cook peelkin. Me, as me say, French fry, brown stew. Joe, did you cook brown stew peelkin? Yeah. So the one that he bad, can steam it with okra and vegetables. Whilst never eat curry fish yet. Never eat curry fish yet. No. So, yeah man, so big up on yourself. I'm out.